Hello again, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about extension cords. This one, actually we're going to talk about this extension cord. This one's a little beat up. It's been in the studio forever, and it's a brand that Josh swears by, and he's going to tell us why.
I geek out on this stuff, Mark.
Yes, you do. What is it?
So this is the Yellow Jacket extension cord.
All right.
They are great. They are heavy duty and commercial grade.
Okay.
I mean, they are the heaviest duty. They come in a 10, a 12, and a 14 gauge.
And this is a 12?
This is a 12 gauge, yep,
Right.
300 volts. Then you can get them in 25, 50, and 100 feet on them. So they got a really cool one too. It's a 25 footer. It's called the multi-outlet cord.
Right.
In 25 feet, it's got like a cord on it and one on the end. It's perfect for like if you do a job setup in a house or a remodel or outside and you got different little stations, you can just plug and Y off that one. So that's what I really like about that cord. So
To me, one of the main things, obviously it's got to be strong.
Yep.
But to me, it's in Minnesota here, you put these outside and they turn into basically a stick. Flexible?
Yes, very. Down to 40 below these work.
So it'll
Very-
stay
and
just-
I
it'll
will
stay-
tell you, I have tested these, Mark.
Yeah.
Down to about 25 below, 30 below.
And they're just like
yeah,
this?
I bring them out west in the mountains with me. Yeah, they're very,
So
very
for
good
sleep,
cords.
keep you warm at night or what?
Yeah, well, we work on our sleds at night when we
So
ride
Yellow
hard.
Jackets, can you get them everywhere?
Yeah, you can. Actually, you can get them at the home centers. Home Depot has them. So you can
And
swing
this
on
is
in
a
there.
25 footer?
25 foot for about $40. 50 foot's about $60.
That's more than an average. So that's what, 25% more than an average?
Yeah, but I mean, think about it. You're not fighting it. You
Right.
roll cords
No, I
different
agree.
than I do, so the memory isn't constantly there. It has a really light memory, so it's easy to roll.
Right.
So I personally don't like rolling up a 100-footer at the end of the night.
Right.
So I do
I agree.
50s. Unless I'm running out in the mud, then I do 100 to keep the plug out. But then I do my 25s off of that.
I agree.
Another super cool thing is they've got outlet. They got a three-prong box plug
Yellow
for a
Jacket.
Y. Yep, that's Yellow Jacket. And then also they sell a 4, 6, 8, and a 9 block power strip, and it's got USBs on it to like charge your phone if you need
cool.
to now and stuff. So, and again, super heavy duty. We got some of those power strips too. Plus, they use so much power back here in the studio that they need
So
this
what you're
stuff.
saying is contract grade.
Yeah, you don't get contractor grade. You don't get the voltage drop in the long runs. They're great cards.
All right.
I could talk for another 2 to 3 minutes if you
But
want.
we're not going to let you. Yeah, that's a nice cord. Cords are
Plus,
important. I
last
agree.
thing,
I'll pay
Mark,
extra for a cord.
lighted ends. Do you want more? I can keep going.
No, that's
All
it.
right.